hiccups can be really embarrassing.
Here, try this. Pinch your nose, drink this glass of water all down in one gulp, and stand on one leg and balance. It didn't work. Try this.
Say hello to Hiccup way, the most effective way that you can stop your hiccups. Amanda, just take this, give me that glass of water, just put, and drink through it. That easy. We show 90% effectiveness.
We've sold 21,000 units so far, which is $300,000 in sales since we launched.
He offers $250,000 that you asked for 20%.
Do it for 15.
Mark,
You have a hand. You have a hand. Crazy.